Alright, I just thought I'd post a quick video here. I made one on the dishwasher kill switch. If you haven't seen that, you can watch that, find it on my channel. But this is one fix I've done a number of years ago. Basically what we got here is washer and dryer. There's the old Maytag Neptunes. These are the real ones. These are the legit ones. Yeah, I did a video on these two once about replacing the gasket, but neither here nor there. One of the things that I was told a long time ago is if you disconnect them from the power, the circuit boards will last a lot longer, but you leave them grounded. So the best way to do that is use a light switch. You buy these cool switches at Lowe's or Home Depot, any big box place, and then you can wire in. Here's a good example. You can hear this load's finished. Okay, so you know we're done. So I just shut this off. So you flip the switch off, kills the power. And I can leave that off. If that's the last load we're doing for the week, I leave that off. I can leave the door open. As you notice, we saw when the light was on. There's no light on this one, but on the dryer there's a light. But you can leave it open. And that doesn't matter. That just keeps this gasket aired out too. That's important. But basically the power is not running the control panel here, and that's a problem. On the dryer, it's running right now. Otherwise, I'll show you. But the nice thing is these have a light, and if you shut the power off, kill that, you can leave the door open and it airs it out, and you don't have the light burning all night long, or all day, not all night. So just thought I'd show you that real quick. I don't have any wiring, and it's pretty straightforward. I think you can find that on the internet. I just extended it off the bottom of the main box. That's where they were plugged in before. And just bought the double box, center that, and yeah, you can see so each switch does the plug below it, and real simple. We've had these for, wow, these are the old ones, and they've lasted. So I just thought I'd make a quick video on that. Hey, catch you on the next vid.